This is Hampton Roads Obedience Training Club, Sunday, October 6th. This was our master exterior search. Our blue cones were the start line. We had a boundary on this side demarcated by the yellow flags. Search area included this path all the way down to this flag. One of our toy distractors was there. And then the search area continued up onto the deck, the ramp, and areas on both sides. This part of the search area down here was also in play, demarcated by the white flags. Our second toy distractor was here, and there was a ground hide slightly off the threshold, located right here. The challenge with this hide was the handlers recognizing changes of behavior in this area and allowing the dogs to work a little bit in both directions. Some handlers kept on going and followed the path, making it a little bit harder for their dogs to come back to this. They also had their dogs searching here, searching the tree, this rock. And so once the dogs were past this point, they started up the ramp, which occupied a lot of their time. The ramp and railings on both sides were in play. The entire ramp area was blank. We came up to the top of the deck, and the search area was split in both directions. To the left, we had this area and a boundary demarcated by those red dots. There was a hide tucked in the hinge here, which the dogs did a really nice job of collecting, working odor here and working odor here. The challenge with this hide was the sun pulling odor all along the ramp's railing, up on this pillar, this ramp, and this pillar. We had a lot of dogs going up and dogs working here. We did have a couple false alerts here on the pillar because that odor from the door was being pulled out in this direction. The rest of the search area went down here to these dots. We did have a hide on this drain spout yesterday, so the entire spout was taken out of play. This was not an issue for any of the dogs, and our third toy was there. So the biggest challenges for our competitors today was to recognize threshold behavior and allow their dogs to work that and not get caught up in all the odor that was drifting up and down. Competitors did spend a lot of time going back and forth, backing forth, with the dogs showing pooling odor behavior. So these were the two big challenges. We had 11 dogs, 3 qualifiers, and the search time was 4 minutes. All the dogs did a great job at some point during their searches, and it was really nice to watch them.